Right, good morning. Welcome back to another week on the farm. So it is Monday morning once again. We just dried off another 40 cows. That takes the total in milk down to 138 now. It takes the total dried off to 190. Now, I am in the scraper tractor and I'm currently having to do all the scraping in low box. Because yesterday, Sunday morning, when I was scraping out, I thought the clutch had gone because I couldn't get the shuttle to change position from forward to reverse. It jumped out of forwards on me on the slurry ramp, which was a bit annoying. I couldn't get it back in, so then I took the gear stick 1, 2, 3, 4 out of gear, and then the shuttle would go in gear, but then I couldn't get the 1, 2, 3, 4 in gear. So then I took high and low out of gear, and the 1, 2, 3, 4 gear stick would go into gear, but then the high and low wouldn't go into gear. So then I just come to the conclusion that the clutch had gone, because it was just nothing would go into gear. Didn't really look at it in any detail yesterday. Rob and Richard had just had a look. They don't think it is the clutch. They think there's some, I don't know, something between the high and low box that is upset. So anyway, we're stuck in low box. So this isn't the speediest bit of scraping you're ever going to see. This yard doesn't really need scraping. You can still see where I scraped it from yesterday. Less and less cows going through, less and less mess. No point scraping clean concrete. All we're doing is smearing this anyway. So yeah, yesterday morning was a bit of a disaster, what with the tractor braking, well, thinking the clutch had gone. I let the cows in the wrong field after milking, because I'm a doofus, but it's all worked out all right. Here we are, 9 o'clock Monday morning, ready to start the week. It's pretty narrow down here. Also this morning, contractors have turned up with their big spreaders, get a bit more muck out the pit. I haven't done much scraping here yet. I'm still getting used to going around all the various tight corners under all the roofs that you don't think you fit under. So we were going to go off today and sort out some tree limbs. Done a bit of chainsawing. We've got a lot more chainsawing to do, but we need the telehandler, and the guys that have come to spread the muck obviously need that to load the muck spreaders. Plan B. I don't know what plan B is. Lots to look forward to this week though. We got a farm walk tomorrow. People are coming here. I think that's the Coast to Coast LIC group. They're coming here for a farm walk. And then on Wednesday we're going to a LIC farm walk somewhere. A farm I've not been to before, so something to look forward to, innit? And then Thursday, a bit of the Royal Welsh Show. If anyone's going, make sure you say hello if you see us. I just got to wait a second whilst they load the spreaders. The first bit in there is fairly watery, as you can see. They got to get rid of that before they get to the thick stuff. We probably should have put a tanker on and sucked out a couple load, but I don't think you can really appreciate how big those spreaders are. So that's a 215R John Deere, so that's a fair sized tractor. Just look at the size of that. Massive. Right, welcome back to another episode of Hooligans Gone Fencing. Today we have Rob out in the summer heat doing the manual work. He's giggling away to himself. And I'm in the nice aircon tractor, just driving in a straight line. We've got a reel attached to the trailer somewhere down there, you probably can't see it. We're just fencing off this big field that I topped in the last video. So yeah, the reel is unwinding as we're going. We've got a trailer full of stakes and more reels of wire and whatever. And we're just going to go along and set it all up. We might even move the heifers in there afterwards, but we'll see. Right, we found another corner post. Can't even see the wire. Oh, there it is. So yeah, Rob's going along putting in the temporary stakes, and then every so often there's a wooden one like so. We've got to a bit of a corner here now, so we'll do this piece. I could sort of see the ditch coming along this bit.
I appear to have lost another top here. That one. I won't need it for this run.
No.
I'll have another 10 or dozen for the next run.
For that bit, yeah. I know he's a bit. You put a new one in. A few. Give him a few dingers. I can pull him out.
Yeah. Give him a whack. Feeling strong?
I'm going to get on my knees, am I?
It looks a bit like. Hey, you can do the top. It.
No, that's right. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
That'll do.
Yep. We're going to lose the post otherwise. That's better, isn't it? Where's the wire?
Nice and secure.
Lovely and secure. Great post, that one. Drive straight here for a while, shall I?
Yeah, there's a corner post up there a little bit, but yeah, quite a way. Just around that second big tree that's out.
Oh yeah. Oh, by the tree, yes.
There's a big tree, little trees, they don't count. The green leaves.
Ah, right, we are rolling. Richard's come to join us. So we're now a full complemented team. Although Abby's not here. Abby's on holiday. I've definitely managed to bag myself the easiest job of the day here, I think. Around this corner gently. Wait here for a minute. I don't know where it's gone. There was a little deer just here. Bit of black plastic, we'll pick that up. It's a dog bag. Lovely. There's a post on the corner here we'll tie to. There's another one there. And then we'll be on a pretty straightish run down that hedge. See, I tried to top over a tree there. How solid are you? You're solid. How's your mate? Not so solid. You are not part of the So Solid crew. Hiya. Hiya. That one's all right. That one down there is soft.
So one wants doing?
One wants doing.
I thought you'd gone mad, Josh, but he said, sorry, he's talking to the camera.
Yeah.
He said, what's he doing?
I do that.
Oh, he's mad. I'm talking to the camera. I said, you're only talking to the camera. He goes, no.
You get used to that. People just start ignoring me after a while.
Sometimes right away.
Oh, Rocky. Oh, Pip. We've made it. What's that, sorry?
2 more metal ones.
Yep. 2 more metal stakes. Oh, God's sake. All the good looking ones I pick up. 506. There you are.
You grab a wooden post out.
Yes.
And just stick it by where I whack those thin nettles down.
Chunky steak. Right.
Yeah.
Let's get leery with it.
Ready?
Oh God, lost my feet. Oh yeah.
Okay. Puffing and puffing.
I'm not conditioned the same way you are. Oh, carrot arms. Like a dung fork, look. What about a steak with a top?
Whole steak.
Yeah.
I know. And a top.
He's a dilly dally, dilly dally. That wasn't too bad, was it?
Gonna split it in half now, I think. I have got a reel on board.
There's a white one in there, isn't
Yeah,
there?
right.
Yeah.
We'll use it. I've got a sort of smallish one. I thought, well, that might do it.
And they just have it in 2 out.
You stopped over there a minute ago. We go from there up there. Where we said we bumped in that post and we said,
Oh yeah, that's what you say, you split it because it's got to be a good one, yeah.
yeah, there.
There.
And then it goes up to those 2 water troughs over there. Where we...
And they just have it in 2 halves, do they?
No, have it 3 halves.
God. Constitutional bullying. They up
I
there?
reckon they'll just
Come this way. If I stand down here.
Stand back that way.
Yep.
If they start running down that way, better shout. But hopefully you can just keep calling.
Yeah, yeah. How about this for a green lane? Bit overgrown. Right, Rob's just gone to get the heifer calves that we've just fenced the field for. So there's a green lane here that splits some block around here and the bit that we're working in. That's the big field I topped the other day. And then they got to go through that gateway, around that way, and then the field we want them in is over there. They've been calling, so I imagine they'll come out pretty swiftly. Stand back out of the way a bit. Don't want to spook them. If they start heading that way, that's bad, because that's towards the road. There's no gate on the end of the track. Good girls, good girls. Good girls, there we go, down that way. Good girls. God, don't they look good? Shining. So these are the R1s, or rising 1-year-olds. So they're about 10, 11 months old at the moment. Go on, go on. They are looking absolutely fantastic. Good girls, good girls. There they are, the last 4. Got...
Hide it back in the first.
Yes. Off you go. Off they go to be with their mates. Right, fencing trailer's done with. Well, that was fun. Right, we're back in the shed. There's a delivery of salt blocks. I think they actually came last week. but I guess they're for winter. I don't really know. Got a mountain of hay that was also delivered probably a month ago now. That'll be for dry cows, so they got one more break in the field they're in, and then they'll start being fed a bit of hay to make their grass last a bit longer. There's also been a delivery of grass seeds, so I think Rob's going to go pick them up and bring them in. Right, just come back and done the milking this afternoon. It's 40 less cows, so it's very quick now. And these have just turned up. So these are the new parlour mats, easy fix ones. Look at them, they're about, I think they're 24 mil, just under an inch thick. They're going to go down either side of the parlour and on the front and the back as well. So there's 2 pallets there, all the fittings there for them too. You might be able to see up on the hill, the guys are still spreading muck. So they're getting all that out. I haven't actually been to look, but apparently it looks like they haven't touched the pit, although they've been going flat out all day. It's just never ending with the sand, because it just falls forward every bucketful they take. Anyway, homeward bound for another day. Right, it's now the next morning, just out here getting the cows in. We've got, I think it's a full moon, maybe not quite. Anyway, cows seem to be heading in the right direction, which is good. I just want to get them out of the field really, and then I've got to move the fence, so they're going to have half of what's left of this field. We're going to send them back here to try and graze this field off quickly so that the chaps that come with the dung spreaders tomorrow can come up here and spread dung, so they'll graze this off today and also tonight. That will be the field finished, and then tomorrow they can come up here with the dung spreaders as well. This field is actually being reseeded this autumn, and it's going into a herbal lay, so that'll be something interesting to show you. There's main cow dog Gus, and main cow dog that actually knows what he's doing, Rocky. Pip doesn't like the dark, so now the mornings are getting a bit darker. I know it's light now, but she won't come with me. Anyway, I'm gonna reel this fence halfway back and then just shove it across there somewhere. That'll be good. Right, last stake going in here. There we have it, straight as an arrow. All we've got to do now is chase the cows down, start milking, and they can come straight back up here. Now, you might have noticed the moustache has gone. I achieved my goal of growing it, or not growing it, of shaving my face to accommodate it. So on Instagram I put up a picture, tagged Damon Hatter in it, and he saw it. Yeah, mission accomplished. And now the wife's getting a bit teasy about it, so I thought I'd better get rid of it. So as I've said a couple times already, I think in this video, we got a group of people coming to look around here today for a farm walk. I have no idea what the subject matter is, if there is one at all, or whether it's just a bit of a nose around. They're the best kind of farm walks, really. That's something to look forward to. I don't know how well you can see in whatever light we've got, but the guys spread that field yesterday with dung or sand, and they finished that one, so that's good. They're having a bit of a campaign on it. It still doesn't look like they've touched the pit, but I'm sure at some point soon it will do. Rocky's gone off piste into the jungle there. What are you doing, Rocky? Rocky dog. Oh, the cows are beating me down to the yard. It's good. Are you ready, cows? Ready as they'll ever be. Right, I've probably rambled on enough anyway, so I'll leave you to it. So thank you very much for watching today's video. As I say, Royal Welsh Show on Thursday. So tomorrow, after this video comes out, we will be there. I've got to shut this gate. Gus, if you'd like to be a legend by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel, that would be greatly appreciated. You can check out all the other socials. There's links down in the description. TikTok is absolutely flying at the minute, which is fantastic. I've put on one of those horrible pairs of socks this morning which just fall off your feet when you're walking. And yeah, we'll catch you guys on another video very soon. Cheerio.